Welcome back, everyone. And now that you have completed the design phase of this course, it's time to put those designs to life and develop them into a full functioning and interactive online experience. In this module, I will show you what platform to build your website on and where to host your website. There are dozens of options to choose from when deciding what platform to use to build your website. Some options include Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, and even completely custom coded solutions. But when it comes to a platform that is flexible, easy to manage, customizable, open source, scalable, and secure, in my opinion, there is no better option than WordPress. In fact, as of the beginning of 2020, approximately 455 million websites are built on the WordPress platform. That's nearly 1/2 of all self-hosted websites. WordPress is an open source platform, which means that anyone can create themes or plugins and then make them available for everyone to use. This open source availability creates infinite possibilities for you to build the exact type of website you need without restrictions. Here are my top 10 benefits to WordPress. Number 1, WordPress designing and development is extremely cost effective. Also, the upkeep and maintenance expense is relatively cheap as you can do it yourself instead of hiring a designer every single time you need to make an update to the content of your website. Number 2, update your website from anywhere. If you decide to develop on WordPress, you can make changes to your website anywhere you are as long as you have access to the internet. Number 3, search engine optimization ready. WordPress is SEO friendly. Websites built using WordPress have simple and constant codes, making them ideal for Google indexing. SEO components for each page can also be customized, giving you full control on which pages you want to rank higher in search engines. Number 4, convenient syndication. This is a highly effective way to earn inbound links to your site. Every time you create a post or a new blog entry, it can be automatically go to an RSS feed, making it easier for others to syndicate your content across directories and other websites. Number 5, responsive web design. Mobile traffic has now surpassed desktop traffic, so responsive website design is no longer an option, but a must. When you use a WordPress website design, you automatically get the benefit of responsive web technology without the need to develop a separate website for different devices. Number 6, upgrade your site's compatibilities easily. Adding new features and functionalities can be extremely cumbersome for traditional websites, especially those are created using sophisticated platforms. This is the exact opposite of WordPress-based sites. There are plugins that can easily be installed, which typically take just 3 steps. Further, the WordPress community is very active and almost every best practice is documented. So if you need to add new features to your site, chances are there are other WordPress users out there who have documented what to do. Number 7, ideal for aggressive content marketing. In an era of online marketing when fresh content is of utmost importance, a WordPress themed website has an advantage over traditional ones. In seconds, you can update your site's content, and you can do so as frequently as you want without the need to go through several complicated steps. Additionally, being able to update your content frequently will help you to organize and build credibility in your niche. Number 8, ultimate social media integration. Another benefit if you opt to develop on WordPress is the seamless integration with social media networks. You don't need to log into your individual LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus accounts one by one to automatically let your social networking communities know that you have fresh content available. Number 9, increase site security. One of the primary criticisms against WordPress designing and development when it was first conceived is poor security. This myth has been completely debunked over the years. As long as you have a good WordPress web designers and developers, you can fortify your site's security and make it hack-proof. The same cannot be said for traditional sites. Number 10, easily transition from one designer to the next. Unless you're really loyal to your web designer or design firm, chances are there will be several designers or firms that will work on your site. Before, this was extremely difficult because each designer or firm had its own preferred platform. WordPress designing and development operates on a universal open source platform, making it easier for you to transition from one designer to another. So there you have it, guys. In my opinion, WordPress is by far the best option for website development. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about where to host your new fitness website. There are hundreds of website hosting companies available to choose from and range anywhere from $10 a month to $1,000 a month, depending on the resources your website needs. Since I have previously recommended WordPress as a website platform, I highly suggest you choose a WordPress-specific website host. Many hosting providers like GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost offer WordPress hosting as an option to several other website platforms. However, many don't offer WordPress-specific expertise that comes in especially handy when you may need support. That is why I recommend WP Engine. They are a dedicated WordPress-only website hosting solution. Their custom dashboard has been specifically developed to host WordPress-only websites, and they have also included several automated tools and features that could take hours to set up manually on another server platform. They offer several different hosting plans starting at only $25 a month if you choose an annual plan, which may be all you need to get started. However, I do recommend their growth plan at $95 a month because it includes more server space, 24/7 phone support, and also additional add-ons. In comparison, I have been using their Premium 1 plan at $600 a month for over 8 years, but that is only because I manage hundreds of websites through my design agency. Plus, when you choose WP Engine, you get instant access to 36 StudioPress websites themes, which is a $2,000 value. I can't stress enough how awesome my experience with WP Engine has been over the past 8 years. Their support is amazing, and the automated features alone will save you hours of setup time. So that's it, guys. Those are my recommendations for your website platform and your hosting solution. Be sure to download and complete the action plan below, as well as any additional tutorials, resources, and templates for this module. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help.